They are our loyal friends, life companions, and part of our family. They would do everything for us, and they do not care if we are rich or poor, fat or skinny, old, young, or which language we are speaking. They see us as their family and want to help us whenever they can. Unfortunately, we know of too many horrible destinies of our loyal friends, caused by humans. Humans answer the love and fidelity with brutality, sadistic tortures, and unimaginable ruthless doings. Frequently, we receive news stories through the media about how cruel humans can be, also in so-called first world countries. But here we do not want to show all these ugly pictures, but exactly the opposite. We want to present you a man with a mission, who made a beginning and is giving new hope for the human race again. Like an angel, he dedicated his life to help old and sick dogs, and this right at his home, here in Germany. As a former animal shelter employee, he saw too many dogs dying, which would have deserved a second chance. And also too many physical abuse. He could not longer sit and watch. Something had to happen. Overcoming lots of work, he changed his home into a nursing home for old and sick dogs in need, which have been waiting for death through us humans. Digger's World, the nursing home for dogs, near Nuremberg, Germany. 10 years ago, Werner Schneider founded this rest home for dogs in need. The name Digger's World came from his first German shepherd, Digger. His fate initially pointed out the need for so many other dogs. He currently lives here with 22 dogs, taking good care of them, giving lots of love and offering like this the evening of life they deserve. A visit at Digger's World is opening our eyes. Mistreated, skinny dogs are healing. 18 years old, sometimes blind veterans are living in love and security. Sick, epileptic or just thrown away sweeties are included in his family and get new life energy, which they deserve. Now they have found their smile again and enjoy thankful every second in this paradise. And they also have names and personalities, like Calvin, 13 years old with arthrosis, the 18-year-old blind Aiko, the mistreated Ludwig, or the playful Tasha and Alba. Thanks to Mr. Schneider, they are still alive. Werner Schneider and his family are living for the well-being of these dogs. This means hard work 24/7 and many financial obstacles, such as medicine, doctors and special food. But he never gave up. Through many events at the nursing home, working with the press and the internet, a few conscious people saw his mission and supported him financially. But here everybody can take a difference and become a part of helping our friends. Because even today the dogs of Mr. Schneider's nursing home need every little help or publicity. His first book, Welcome Home, has already become a success and is available in German, as well as his calendar sales to help the nursing home. Like that, everybody can help giving these sweet dogs a home and security. The example of Werner Schneider is giving new hope in the good things we humans can do. We can just thank him with all our heart for this new light at the horizon and the beautiful evening of life he is giving to our four-legged loyal friends. This is now their well-deserved heaven on earth. Digger's World Nursing Home for Dogs in Germany. Don't be afraid anymore. Welcome home.